These tiny interlocking bricks allow us to build and explore worlds of our own creation. From mystical palaces to colossal spaceships, from iconic off-road vehicles to fantastic creatures, LEGO sets bring us the joy of building our dreams. Coming in at number 9, we have a blast from the past with the LEGO Ideas PacMan. This interactive set is a delightful nod to the golden age of arcade gaming. At the heart of the set is a fully functioning PacMan arcade cabinet, complete with a joystick and buttons that will have you feeling like you're back in the arcade. But the fun doesn't stop there. The set also includes 4 interchangeable ghost panels, allowing for a variety of play scenarios. Change the ghost to suit your mood or challenge, rekindling that classic Pac-Man chase. Adding a touch of modernity to this nostalgic set are the light-up elements, bringing the arcade cabinet to life and adding an extra layer of realism. A nostalgic trip for gamers, this set offers a fun and interactive building experience. The LEGO Ideas. Pac-Man is not just a toy, but a trip down memory lane, making it a must-have for gaming enthusiasts and LEGO collectors alike. At number 8, we're heading to the magical world of Harry Potter with the LEGO Hogwarts Astronomy Tower. This set brings to life the iconic Hogwarts Tower with an astonishing level of detail. From the rotating turrets that offer a panoramic view of the wizarding world, to the quaint greenhouse nurturing magical plants, every element is designed to spark your imagination. The set also includes 7 minifigures, each capturing the essence of beloved characters from the series. You'll find Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Draco Malfoy, Luna Lovegood, Snape and Professor Sprout, each with their unique accessories, ready to create their own magical adventures. Whether you're recreating memorable scenes from the books and movies or crafting your own enchanting tales, the LEGO Hogwarts Astronomy Tower provides a rich, immersive experience. This set isn't just a collection of bricks, it's a portal to a world of magic and mystery. A magical journey awaits with this enchanting set. At lucky number 7 we have the thrilling LEGO Batmobile, Batman v the Joker Chase. This set is more than just a toy. It's a detailed representation of the iconic Batmobile that fans of all ages can appreciate. With its sleek black design, this Batmobile is the epitome of Batman's cool and calculated demeanor. But it's not all about looks. This Batmobile comes equipped with hidden weapons, ready to take on any threats Gotham City might face. And what's a Batmobile without a Batman to drive it? This set includes 2 minifigures, the Dark Knight himself, Batman, and his arch-nemesis, the Joker. The Batmobile also features a pop-up roof, making it easy for Batman to jump into action at a moment's notice. For fans of the Batman universe, this set is a must-have. It's a fantastic way to engage with the world of Gotham, and a great addition to any LEGO collection. We're buzzing into number 6 with the LEGO The Insect Collection. This set is not just a build, it's a journey into the miniature world of insects that promises both education and fascination. Bursting with 8 detailed models, this collection brings the insect kingdom right onto your building table. From the delicate wings of a butterfly to the intricate armor of a stag beetle, each model is a testament to the beauty of nature's smallest creatures. The dragonfly, ladybug, stick insect and spider also join the lineup, each with their unique features and quirks. The bumblebee and scorpion complete the collection, adding a touch of buzz and sting to this enthralling ensemble. This collection is more than a build, it's a hands-on biology lesson, a chance to appreciate the tiny creatures that share our world, and a testament to LEGO's commitment to detail and accuracy. A fascinating exploration of the insect world, this set is a fun and educational addition to any LEGO collection. Coming in at number 5 we have the cozy and relaxing LEGO AFrame cabin. This quaint miniature retreat is an embodiment of tranquility and serenity, exuding a sense of calm, even in its LEGO form. The cabin's modern interior is a marvel in itself, boasting a well-equipped kitchen for those gourmet LEGO meals, a charming bedroom for that much-needed rest, and a loft for some quiet contemplation. But it doesn't end there. The heart of this homey abode is undoubtedly the fireplace. Its warm, inviting glow, albeit LEGO-built, gives an illusion of warmth that sets the tone for this peaceful escape. Imagine curling up by the LEGO fire with a good book, or perhaps another exciting LEGO set. The LEGO AFrame cabin offers more than just a build, it offers an experience. It's a retreat within your retreat, a place where the hustle and bustle of the world outside doesn't exist. A perfect escape for LEGO builders, this set offers a tranquil and calming building experience. At number 4, we're stepping into legend with the LEGO Monkey King Ultra Mech. This set is inspired by the iconic Chinese legend, the Monkey King, and it's as grand as the tales themselves. Crafted to perfection, the Ultra Mech is fully posable, boasting movable arms and legs that bring this legendary figure to life right in front of your eyes. But that's not all. The Ultra Mech houses a hidden cockpit, a secretive space designed just for the exclusive Monkey King minifigure. It's not just about flexibility and features though. The design is a sight to behold, with golden detailing that adorns the mech, giving it a regal and majestic appeal that's fitting for a king. It's a set that's not just built, but also tells a story, making it more than just a collection of bricks. It's a legendary set for any LEGO collection. Revving into number 3, we have the LEGO Land Rover Classic Defender 90. This isn't just a toy, it's a testament to the enduring appeal of one of the most iconic off-road vehicles in automotive history. The LEGO rendition of the classic Defender 90 captures its rugged charm in every brick, right down to the minutest detail. The model features authentic and functional elements that car enthusiasts will appreciate. We're talking working steering, four-wheel drive, and even a winch. It's a delightful blend of realism and LEGO magic. Each element comes together to create a model that mirrors the off-road capabilities of the real thing, albeit in a scaled-down brick form. Whether it's the distinctive silhouette or the impressive technical features, this LEGO set captures the spirit of the Land Rover Classic Defender 90 in all its glory. A perfect display piece for car enthusiasts, this set brings the thrill of off-road adventures to your LEGO collection. Blasting off at number 2, we have the massive and impressive LEGO The New Guardians ship. This striking model hails from the Guardians of the Galaxy Vol. 3 movie, bringing a taste of cosmic adventure to the LEGO universe. The ship is a marvel of LEGO engineering, boasting a rotating interior that adds a dynamic twist to play sessions and display setups. But it's not just about the grandeur. The attention to detail is equally impressive, with meticulously crafted engines that truly capture the spirit of the original design. This set isn't just about the ship though. It comes equipped with 8 minifigures, including fan favorites like Star-Lord, Drax, Groot, Rocket Raccoon, Mantis, Nebula, Kraglin, and a Ravager. Each character is recreated with an eye for detail, adding to the immersive experience of the set. A stellar addition for any Guardians of the Galaxy fan, this set brings interstellar adventure to your fingertips. And finally, at number 1, is the LEGO Star Wars The Mandalorian Bounty Hunter Transport. This set is a galaxy of fun waiting to happen. Its centerpiece, a meticulously detailed spaceship, is straight out of the Star Wars universe. It's designed with an array of features, including a cargo hold, ready to store any precious bounties for transport. The ship comes equipped with rotating guns, a must-have for any bounty hunter looking to fend off enemies in the vast expanse of space. But what truly sets this LEGO set apart are the 4 distinctive minifigures. The Mandalorian, Greef Karga, the IG-11 droid, and a scout trooper are all part of this interstellar package, each one ready to recreate your favorite scenes or inspire new stories. A must-have for Star Wars fans, this set brings a whole new level of intergalactic adventure. With the LEGO Star Wars The Mandalorian Bounty Hunter Transport, the galaxy is truly at your fingertips. This is our top pick for the best LEGO set of 2023. And there you have it.